Hi guys, share ko lang. This is part 3 of my SB19 Vancouver concert experience. Simula na ng second set and it started with Dungka. Grabing visuals naman na yan, no? Nabalitaan ko na each leg of their concert, iba-iba pala ang dalang pamalo ni Justin. Sa Vancouver Chinela, so ano kaya sa mga susunod na concert nila? Next, Bazinga. Next was a song from their new EP. Ito yung part na papatayuin na ang audience. So, alam niyo na yung next song. Ayan na nga. So, pumarty na nga ang mga tita nyo dyan. After that, may konting break kasi mag-change outfit na naman pala sila. So, itong song na to, na-associate ko na talaga siya sa Green Bones movie. I'm not sure sa iba, pero every time narinig ko to, naalala ko yung movie na yun.
All the loved ones of the victims, this is time.
Ito medyo emotional song kasi iniiyak ako. They offer the song in tribute to all those affected by the Lapu-Lapu Festival tragedy. Mapapansin nyo sa set na to, dito nila halos kinanta yung mga ballad songs nila. Grabe yung set na to iba-ibang emotions yung mafe-feel mo.
It looks like a spider web. Ever seen you think you were singing with us? Timing, timing!
Sa song talaga na to, dito ko sila unang nakilala. If I may say, ang ganda din talaga ng visual sa LED nila or digital backdrop ang tawag niyan. For me, it also elevated the whole concert experience. Tapos na ang set 2. Meet Kapwa, as in, ang galing-galing nila. They're dancers for the Canada leg concert. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Next up, part 4.